where darkness and mystery intertwine. A celestial gem emerges, captivating humanity since time immemorial. The Triangle Galaxy, known by many names. Some call it 33. Others, Messier, Object 33. It's also known as NC 598. This cosmic marvel resides in the constellation of Triangle. Shining with a dim, yet persistent light on the vast canvas of the cosmos. Its elegant and enigmatic spiral has woven tales of exploration and awe that endure through the ages. Despite its modest size compared to the cosmic giants surrounding it, such as the majestic Milky Way and the imposing Andromeda Galaxy, the Triangle Galaxy stands as a solitary star, radiating with its own intensity. It's a beacon in the vastness of space. But have we unveiled its secrets? What do we know about its cycles of star birth and death? When have we delved into the corners of its cosmic essence? Throughout the centuries, the eyes of great and small investigators have turned to the heavens, inspired by this elusive and evocative galaxy. Every glimmer of light from its spiral arms tells the story of millions of suns dancing in a celestial symphony that transcends time. From its deepest corners to its farthest reaches, the Triangle Galaxy challenges us to contemplate our own existence in the ever-evolving panorama of the universe. The enigmatic galaxy, beyond the visible, beyond the known, in pursuit of a deeper understanding of the intricate cosmic dance unfolding before our eyes. The Triangle Galaxy is the third largest member of the local group of galaxies. Its stars seem countless, numbering between 30 to 40 billion. The Triangle Galaxy is small in relation to its more imposing neighbors. The Milky Way vastly surpasses it with its countless stars. And the Andromeda Galaxy makes it look like the younger sibling with over 200,000. Or perhaps 400,000 billion stars. Yet, its size resembles that of other spiral galaxies scattered across the cosmos. It's part of a galactic assembly that includes the Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, and other cosmic companions. Its position in this group gravitationally ties it to the Andromeda Galaxy, which it orbits in a highly eccentric trajectory. The history of the Triangle Galaxy is woven with the names and discoveries of illustrious astronomers. The Italian astronomer Giovanni Battista Hodierna likely spotted it before 1654, associating it with the open cluster G752. In 1764, Charles Messier independently discovered and catalogued it as M33. Later, William Herschel contributed by assigning it the designation HIV-17. Throughout the centuries, many other great astronomy luminaries have also observed it. The Triangle Galaxy boasts a captivating celestial anatomy with a diameter of about 60,000 light-years. Some have considered its size to be roughly half that of the Milky Way. Its presence extends across the sky. Recent infrared studies with the Spitzer telescope have revealed that its dust clouds stretch beyond what is visible in optical photographs. This may be due to supernova explosions and the solar winds of young stars, although future studies will confirm this. The fate of the Triangle Galaxy is inexorably linked to the cosmic dances unfolding in the vast universe. Studies suggest it could merge with the Andromeda Galaxy or even be expelled from the local group. This uncertain future only adds to its aura of mystery and wonder. The Triangle Galaxy possesses a unique feature. It's one of the few celestial objects visible to the naked eye under exceptional conditions, while optimal conditions are required for this feat. Its mere visibility to the naked eye serves as a reminder of the beauty and diversity of the universe that surrounds us. With its destiny at stake and its celestial beauty illuminating our starry nights, the Triangle Galaxy stands as an object of awe and interest for many. As we explore the mysteries of deep space, this spiral galaxy continues to reveal its secrets, offering a window into cosmic phenomena and the eternal dance of stars on the vast stage of the universe.